Good afternoon from the UK. I've got some footage from an individual on YouTube called Manvendra Singh, and I was kindly given permission to share this video with you guys. The footage was recorded on the 10th of April 2021 in the skies over the UK. As with the last video, this sighting occurred in broad daylight, which is fantastic as it really helps us to define what we're actually looking at. I've just got a still on the screen at the moment. The object appears to be bright white and once again shaped like a tic-tac. I'll play the footage and then we'll do some analysis. Now this strange object appears to be moving at a slow but a constant pace. I can't see any defining characteristics that could categorise this as a conventional aircraft. There appears to be no form of contrail that it's leaving behind it, and the only way I could categorise this is unidentified. You can see it's moving in a perfect left to right pattern on the video. It's not turning, it's not banking, it's not moving up and down or bobbling in the wind. I think it's a really good piece of evidence. So I've put a close-up of the object on screen, and I've just sharpened it up a bit and increased the brightness and contrast. Now I can see a strange wave pattern coming above and below the object, almost like it's creating some kind of distortion as it's moving through the sky. In this image I've inverted the colours, so if you look at the dark shape in the middle where the craft actually is, it seems to be engulfed in some kind of energy, maybe something that aids its movement through the sky. I think this is really good footage, and I have to say thank you again to the original poster for allowing me to share it. Take care guys, and I'll see you next time.